you the 18 tiny habits that help me get rich and how you can apply them in your life. Starting with tiny habit 1, look at your money daily. Every day I get an email for all of my companies called Daily Cash Report, and it includes all the balances, all the credit cards, all my accounts, the transactions for the previous day, because I want to get a sense of the heartbeat of cash flowing through my businesses. I want to be aware what you focus on expands. If you don't know how much cash is being generated in your bank account in your businesses, then how can you give it the right attention? I call it the 24-hour rule. You should be checking your money every 24 hours. Don't hide from it. Don't pretend like you don't want to see it. I don't want you to go to the ATM machine to find out you don't have enough money to pull money out because you're not aware. Have the app on your phone, check it often. If you don't like the number, make it better. Which brings us to tiny habit number 2, value your time. If you don't value your time, no one else will. You'll be upset that people are taking advantage of you, asking you to do favors and never returning it in the first place. Rich people say no more than they say yes, because a yes is a no to their future and a no is a yes to their goals. What do you want to create in the future? It's actually okay to be a little selfish to create a better scenario for who you are and what access to resources you have so you can be richer, so you can be more for people in the future. Which brings us to tiny habit number 3, set clear goals. When I started my first company that succeeded, Spheric Technologies, I read a book called Good to Great, and it said you have to have a vision for your life. So I sat down and I created a vision. 5 years, 5 continents, 50 million in revenue, 50 people. I don't even know where it came from. It sounded good. Did I get to that level in 5 years? No. Just shy though, and that was the business that made me a multimillionaire. What I had was clarity and focus. See, a goal properly set is half complete. Most people just don't write it down. Without a deadline, that goal is just a dream. So I use this thing called the rule of 300 to help me hit my goals. It's all about having 100% clarity, 100% belief, 100% of the time. If you do that, you'll hit your goal. Which brings us to tiny habit number 4, review your goals daily. Every day I use triggers. When I sit at my chair in the morning, when I'm doing my morning routine, or I get in my car, or I come to my desk at my office to remind me to review my goals that are on my phone. So it's literally pinned at the top of my notes file, and they're my 12 power goals for the year. And most people set goals and don't review until the end of the year, and they realize they either hit them or didn't hit them. It's like business plans. They usually write them and then stuff them in a drawer. I review my goals 3 times a day. The way I make it easy on myself is I just connect it to a trigger. It literally activates this thing called your reticular activating system to help you scan the world for opportunities to make that a reality. It's like when you're thinking of buying a new car, let's say a red Volkswagen, and for the longest time you didn't see any of the red Volkswagens. All of a sudden you can't stop seeing them all over the place. Why? Your brain is on the search of red Volkswagen, so you'll see them all over the road. Which brings us to tiny habit number 5, automate your savings. My philosophy is very simple. I want to set it and forget it. I want to make the decision when I'm feeling good about life and then never revisit it. Even though I live off 10% of my income, most people should follow the 50-30-20 rule, which is 50% of their income goes to what they need, 30% goes to what they want, and the other 20% should go to savings. What I do pretty much every week is any extra cash in all of my companies gets swept out, put into my holdco, and then my holdco automatically invests it in the portfolio I've already decided. So I either do high risk stuff in private equity, or I do low risk stuff in index funds in the public markets, but I don't want to think about it. I want to set it and forget it. Which brings us to tiny habit number 6, avoid bad debt. Bad debt is high interest debt. This is consumer debt, hard money lending. I remember when I was starting off, I had to buy some furniture and I thought I'd be like the cool guy and go get an apartment and finance a bunch of furniture because they said it would cost me nothing, no interest payments for 3 years, until it did. And that interest payment plus the fact that it took me a few more years to pay it off cost me more than double of just buying the furniture outright at the beginning. And did I need that at 20 years old? No, I was being silly. Lenders have an incentive to take advantage of you. It's why most credit card companies try to get you some kind of credit early on. I'm talking college campuses. It's wild. You should only take on debt for things that can make you money. Think real estate, think business investments, think investing in yourself where you can get an ROI by investing in the SME 500, not the S&P 500. It's all about short-term leverage. Don't make other people rich off of borrowing money from them. Which brings us to tiny habit number 7, exhaust the body, tame the mind. At 11 years old, I got diagnosed with ADHD and it messed me up. I was taking Ritalin and Adderall and all these pills to try to make me normal, but I never felt normal when I was taking those pills. I actually liked who I am. What I had to do was figure out how to be me without the medication. A big part of that is going to the gym. That's why I say every day I go to the gym to work on my mind. Yes, it has a physical value to doing that, but if I don't go, I can't think, I can't focus, I can't get things done in my day. Which brings us to tiny habit number 8. Use your feed on social media to feed your mind. The other day, my son's friend came over after school and he was asking me how I deal with being distracted from things like girls and TikTok. And I was laughing because I said, I actually scroll TikTok 2 hours almost every day. The difference is what's on my feed. I like to use my social media to teach myself things, to micro learn, to use it almost like a social university. So what I do is I'll search for topics I want to learn about and then go look at those videos and leave comments on the videos that are good, and then adjust my feed. That's how I use my feed to feed my mind. Which brings us to tiny habit number 9. Read 10 pages a day. The other day I was at the gym and some kid asked me, what's the number one habit millionaires have? And the truth is, out of all of them I had to pick from, it's got to be reading. And the reason why is that nobody knows how to do the thing they're about to do the first time they do it. And the best way to avoid all the pain of trying to do it through trial and error is to read books. My life was built by books. I've read over 1,600 books. I actually did a video on it. You can go search for it. But the whole premise is that every philosophy, idea, process, habits was all inspired by other people much smarter than me that have lived a big life and mastered skills, and then were sharing everything they learned for 25 bucks and a 6-hour investment of my time. I think it's the best trade in the world. Which brings us to tiny habit number 10. Wake up early. A lot of people talk about getting up early, but let me tell you why. A lot of people sleep in because they stay up late. What I do is I set an alarm to go to bed on time. And that 5 a.m. club, that's cool, but what you learn over time is 4 a.m. is even cooler. And the reason why is between 3 and 6 a.m. is where it's said to have the thinnest veil to the spiritual realm. So it's not just about getting up early to get work done. It's also about being connected to your creator, connected to the universe, taking advantage of the inspiration and ideations that will come to you at
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Let us start with this presentation of Airbnb. I just want to get to my PowerPoint presentation here, and then we can have a look at, in the next couple of minutes, why Airbnb is the best online platform currently worldwide. So be prepared to change your life if you commit to these easy, simple steps that will be presented to you in the following slides, a couple of minutes. And let's start by giving this presentation to you. But first, I want to issue you with a warning. The information that is contained in this presentation has the potential to change your life dramatically. And I'm very serious when I'm telling you this. You will see why I say this. Commit to this, keep to these steps, and your life will change. Right, so let's look at the million-dollar question every person on this earth must ask themselves. And that is, who wants to fail in life? And the answer is straightforward. Nobody wants to fail in this life. Nobody has been created or put on this earth to be a failure or to fail. Right. But if we look at successful people or think about rich and wealthy people, the first thing we comes to mind is they have got much money. They are rich, they are wealthy, and success is coupled with money. When you think about people being successful, the first thing that you think of is money. They are wealthy, they are rich, and there is lots of ways to get rich. So, but this Airbnb platform is another way for you and I to get rich, either to make it work on it full-time or part-time. So yes, let's look at it in more details. So you can ask yourself these questions and the answers will always be the same. Everybody wants to be successful. Nobody wants to fail. The main thing is everyone on earth needs basic things like food and shelter, education, transport, and to get those things, you need money or extra money if you do not have enough for it. All right. So you either need to work for someone or you must start your own business and generate your own income. All right, research unfortunately shows that 97% of people worldwide, they only remain average or mediocre and they will not achieve success in life. But only about 3% will ever achieve wealth and success. All right, so let us look at the reasons why people do not achieve success. They either have a lack of burning desire, they've got a poor mindset, they're full of excuses, they give up too easily, and they're always looking for mistakes or reasons not to be successful, reasons not to join platforms that they can earn extra income or a full-time income. Right, they fail to seize the right opportunity at the right time, and they most of the time over-analyzing things, and we know that over-analyzing things it leads to paralysis. You will not go over taking action to start or committing to that platform and taking the action. There's also a lack of trust and transparency because of past experiences in other platforms or programs where people got scammed. And I understand a bit still on this point. I think this has been over exaggerated by people. They don't take the time to investigate or to study or do their own due diligence on this platform that is 100% risk free, 100% scam free. They don't listen to it. They just uh, go to the next page and no, we don't want to do this. They don't commit there because they have a lack of trust and transparency because of past experiences. So if that might be you, please stick to this. Listen to this presentation where the due diligence will be done for you. And you can decide for yourself then. There's also absence of a genuine and a legit system, and you will see that RainBnB is genuine. It is a legit system. It's not run by an artificial intelligent robot or anything. The smart contract manages every single thing on this platform, and that's what's making this very secure, very trustworthy, and there's no need for a lack of trust. But let's see, when we ask people to be successful or one who wants to make money, everybody wants to be in there. But as soon as you show them what they need to do, then they don't want to commit. Then the excuses come out and all of the negative talk and everything, and the past experiences, and then they do not commit. They don't take the action. But only the 3% who believe in themselves, they will achieve success. And the first step to achieving success is to take action. You must believe in yourself. So let's run through this presentation and see why RainBnB is that platform that can change your life. All right, please forget everything that you've experienced previously from this industry. If you have been a part of any other platforms or programs, whatever it was, please forget about it. We cannot go back. It is water under the bridge. You cannot change what happened in the past. We can only go forward. And I cannot make the decision for you. I can show you here what is RainBnB, why is it different from all other platforms worldwide, and why it will never scam you, why it is 100% risk-free. So please just give your concentration in the next couple of minutes here. Right, this presentation is in two parts. The first part is about the platform itself, and then the second part is about the compensation plan and how you getting paid here. So the first thing is that we have the solution for you. If you have life goals, if you seek additional income, or you aspire to achieve greatness and be successful, and if you're passionate about reaching any of these objectives, RainBnB has that solution for everyone, not just for one person, but for everyone. All right, we present you with a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that will last you for a lifetime, where you will earn an exceptional income, whether you work full-time or only part-time here. RainBnB will change your life. It will meet all your expectations. Let us carry on and see why RainBnB is a cutting-edge 21st century business model, which creates a win-win situation for everyone that gets involved here. Right, so what is RainBnB then? Let's answer that question. RainBnB is a pioneering community building platform on the OPBNB blockchain network, where members accumulate the BNB. Here we do not trade, we don't buy, we earn BNB in RainBnB. Right, RainBnB has been established by a team of experts from Eastern Europe and Russia, and they share a united passion and they have deep expertise in blockchain and artificial intelligence. So they put together this program to reach every person on this earth, because this is accessible for most people on this earth. And if you put your mind to it, you will make a success of this by using only this platform, only the smart contract of RainBnB. Keep note that RainBnB is not a return on investment platform like you put your money in and you wait for your money to give you a return. No, it's not like that. But you can be paid on a daily basis, and we'll see later on how you can get paid on a daily basis with RainBnB. Right, RainBnB is also not a donation platform, but you will receive big payments if you meet the requirements of this smart contract. Right, so I talked about the smart contract, but let's look at the vision and the mission of RainBnB. First of all, the mission is to empower and unite individuals through a decentralized community platform by leveraging smart contracts to facilitate transparent interactions and mutual benefits. So what does that mean? That means that the smart contract, they use the smart contract. Look at it as the smart contract is the center, the pillar, the thing in the middle, and everything revolves around that. The smart contract manages everything about this platform. It controls everything. All of the transactions, all of the withdrawals, all the registrations, all upgrades goes through this smart contract. And nobody can change this smart contract. So the vision for RainBnB is to be the leading platform that revolutionizes community engagement and driving collective success and innovation in a decentralized ecosystem. This is very important, this word, decentralized. Let me take out this, the laser pointer here. The decentralized. You will hear this word a lot in this presentation. And just another thing, do not worry if you do not know anything about crypto or financial. If you do not have any financial education, you do not need any of those things to work or to be successful in RainBnB. All of the help is available in RainBnB through its members and through the support of your upline. Right, but this word decentralized is the first thing that you must look at when you want to join any platform where you can earn extra money. And the way that smart contract is being utilized these days, it's important to know that. You do not have to be an expert in smart contracts or blockchain either. We will do everything in this presentation and show you why this is to be trusted, that there is no human control in here. Let's look at this word or the definition of smart contracts. It's a self-executing trustless agreements that run on the blockchain. So you might ask now the word trustless. That is throwing me a bit off. Yes, it might seem like that it must be trustworthy, but no. When you look at the meaning of trustless, you look at the definition of it, that means that you don't have to trust a third party, a bank, a person, or any intermediary that could operate between you or your cryptocurrency transactions or holdings. So here, this word has got a different meaning because of the context that it's used in crypto and blockchain terminology. It basically means that you do not have to trust any person, any third party here. So that factor is removed for you here. So you can work with your peace of mind. You can work in RainBnB and you can know that tomorrow when you wake up, the platform will be there, your money will still be there. It will do exactly as it was set to do or coded to do. It will not be able to, nobody will be able to change that. Right, let's go to the next slide. Just need to get this thing off here. Why is RainBnB 100% risk-free and 100% scam-free? RainBnB is a decentralized platform. There's the word again, decentralized. The word decentralized means there's no third party, no owner in control, no CEO, no management group that is in control here. You cannot contact support and ask them to change anything or to help you, whatever. It's decentralized. There's no other third party in control here. It's only you and the smart contract on the blockchain that is managing this account for you on RainBnB. All right, it is a decentralized platform. It's totally unique. Keep that in mind. You will see similarities, but it's totally different from any other platform in this industry. All right, and it's a proper business on its own itself. Right, RainBnB is 100% risk-free and 100% scam-free. But why is it 100% risk-free? The main reason is because it's risk-free is because no money is kept on the smart contract that can be withdrawn by anybody. All right, no money is kept on the smart contract and it cannot be stolen by anybody, not even the developers or the person who wrote this smart contract can interfere there or move that money. And the reason for that is because this smart contract cannot be changed. If they want to change the smart contract, if they want to make any changes, they have to rewrite a totally different new smart contract. And even if they do that, then this smart contract will still continue to work as it was. Right, here is the address for the smart contract that you can go on and you can see for yourself. And look, everything is up there. And even if the website or the internet goes down and you cannot, not the internet, your website goes down, you cannot work on the URLs through your wallet, you can still work on RainBnB directly on this address, on this smart contract. You can do registrations, you can do upgrades, you can claim your bonuses from there. So we will have more details about that later. Right, the balance is always zero on the smart contract, as you see here. That balance is always zero. Many platforms, they show you, look at the balance, and then there's a huge number of figures there, money that's lying there. And then people think that there's a lot of money there, but actually that means that then they can have access, or they do have access to that money. That is the main thing, because every cent or any small BNB amount of BNB that comes into the smart contract gets distributed immediately to the qualifying members. Right? As it says here, because all the BNB gets paid out to the qualifying members immediately, and it's immediately. It's not tomorrow or a week after or next month. Everything happens here in milliseconds. There's no waiting for any money or anything like that. Right, yes, some reasons to join RainBnB. The first one, I said you're going to hear this word very often, it's fully decentralized. Right, even the application is decentralized, and this application that you work on is not available on any Play Store like Google Play Store or Apple Store or Huawei or anything like that. That application is available on the official RainBnB Telegram group and also on your wallet that you connect. You can download that app directly from there only, not from any centralized platform. All right, so what's the reason for that? The main reason is that nobody will get all of your data. When you do registrations here, none of your personal information gets used. Your telephone number, your email address, or anything like that. You only connect to this smart contract with your selected wallet that you connect to the smart contract when you do the registration. So there's no personal details being used to register you or stored anywhere on the smart contract as well. Even if you use the decentralized app, there's nothing. It only uses your address of your wallet. No personal details are even stored anywhere on this website from you. All right, so that makes it more decentralized and nobody will know who you are. Right, you don't need to build a big community in RainBnB. You only need to refer a minimum of 2 other people to this to start receiving payments immediately. Right, so there is no big team building needed here. You must refer a minimum of 2 other people to your link or your account, and that will let the smart contract know that you qualify to receive further payments if you do qualify for that. If you only have one referred person or zero referred persons, you will not be in line for payment. It will skip you. Right, so there's also no limited working hours. It's not limited to any working hours, as this is a global business. So you can work in RainBnB at your own time, your own leisure, whenever you want to. This is a global business. You can work 24/7. There's no time limit here. You will actually see how much freedom you have in RainBnB. So here you can basically do what you want, and you just need to meet the requirements of this smart contract, and you will get paid. Then again, nobody can change the smart contract, not even the developers. So that makes this platform different from most other platforms. There is no owner or support channel or group or office that you can contact if you want to query something. The members are the support. The members will assist you there. And we have more than enough equipped members that can and help everybody. Right. It's also not dependent on any website because this smart contract operates completely on the blockchain. So you do not need to have a website connected to work on the smart contract. As I showed you early on, you can work directly on the smart contract only. And we know from previous platforms that when the website appears or there's changes, then the website goes down. You cannot get in there. Then normally that platform disappears with the money. Yeah, it is not possible because even if even if they do shut down those websites or those portals that you work through, you can still work on the smart contract. It's not dependent on that website. Right, you are your own boss in RainBnB. Although you will work in a team, you decide how much you want to earn. That is another plus point for RainBnB. And RainBnB is a business for a lifetime. It's only dependent on the internet's existence. Ladies and gentlemen, there is nothing that can prevent you from getting paid in RainBnB except the existence of the internet. If the internet goes down, nobody will be able to work on this platform. But the chances of that happening is very, 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 very slim and very limited. That means that the world will come to an end, basically. All business, because these days everybody is reliant on the internet connection or anything you can think about it. Every day we need the internet connection. So if the internet is going to go down, it might be for a couple of minutes or hours or something, but then it gets fixed. But excuse me, if it goes down permanently, then you won't be able to work on it. But the chances of that happening is very slim. Right, there's also no monthly fees in RainBnB. There's a once-off startup cost, and then only thing that you are left with is your upgrade cost. So there's no monthly, weekly fees or yearly fees or anything like that. No membership fees here. Right, there's also no products to sell or to ship around. The product here is BNB, the coin itself, and we'll look at BNB a little bit later. So that makes this platform liability free. You don't have the issue of transporting or ordering products and moving them around and storing them. So that logistical nightmare or headaches is also removed for you there. This is all digital products, so you do not have to worry about that. There's also no targets to meet here. You decide your own targets and you set your own deadlines for yourself. You decide how much BNB you want to earn from Rain BNB. Right, it's 100% transparent. Everything is recorded on the blockchain and it will also show up in your connected wallet. All the transactions are transparent. It's recorded there. Every single small level BNB from your registration up until all the upgrades, everything that you receive, everything is recorded on the smart contract, and it can be traced and it can be verified. Right, it's 100% risk-free as we looked already. Why it is 100% risk-free? Because there is no money that is kept on the smart contract that can be withdrawn by anybody. No one can get hold of your money. You can never lose your money here. Right? RainBNB is legal in most countries, obviously where crypto is legal, and most countries we know crypto is legal already. Right, payments are done instantly and they are sent to your connected wallet. So there is no need for you to make a request to receive your withdrawals. Once you meet the requirements of the smart contract, it pays you instantly in milliseconds. And it doesn't go through a sideways or a support to approve it first. The smart contract knows already when to pay you. So there's no storage or queries to be done. It pays you instantly when that transaction is done. Right, you and you alone are in control of your money. This platform is 100% scam free. Nobody can scam you here. They cannot, there's absolutely no way for you to be scammed in RainBNB. Right, and then the coin that they use is already an established cryptocurrency. It's the first strongest one on CoinMarketCap. And we know that is BNB coin itself. So there's no new coin or token that must first get liquidity and we must launch it. And there is no, people are getting paid, members are getting paid in a cryptocurrency that has got value that is established. And many people or members can testify to that already. So there's no new coin or token that will get some value in a year or some months from now. And then the owners flood the market and they just put a number there for you to keep you happy, and then they withdraw this thing. And there's no value for that thing anyways. So here they are using a current cryptocurrency that has got value, that is the fifth strongest one on CoinMarketCap. And that's the fifth strongest one worldwide then. Right, this platform has got the best compensation plan in the history of this industry. There is no other platform that's got even coming close to this compensation plan of RainBNB. All right, and then the other reasons is because you and I, we want to make money or we need extra income or full-time income. And that must be the biggest reason for you to join RainBNB. If you want to earn extra income, join RainBNB. It won't cost you an arm and a leg. It cannot scam you. It is risk-free. You cannot lose anything here. You will make money if you meet the requirements of the smart contract. You only need the internet connection and you will make your money. So that is the reasons to join RainBNB. Now let's look at the BNB. What is BNB? BNB was launched in July of 2017, then by Binance, which is the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange globally. And I think we all have heard about Binance, and we know about Binance, or we are using Binance ourselves. All right, so BNB is among the top 5 cryptocurrencies worldwide, with a market cap exceeding $100 billion. Right, the future price of BNB could rise to between $4,000 and $10,000 within the next 2 to 5 years, depending on the market trends. So they predict that in this year already, BNB or Binance Coin is expected to range between $581 to $1,000. And some predict that the average price for BNB on this year will be $790. So currently, I just checked now before this meeting started that it's trading at $657 per BNB coin at the moment. So these screenshots are outdated. The value of BNB is going up and down each and every day. And if we look at the 5-year growth of BNB when it was launched, or the last 5 years growth, it's over 3,600%. So when this coin was launched in 2017, it was about $10 per one BNB. Today it's $657 as we speak at the moment. And that gives it a growth of over 8,400% currently in the last couple of years, since 2017. And we see the predictions here that they predict it will rise to between $4,000 and $10,000 in the next 2 to 5 years. And we all know what happened to Bitcoin, which was launched in 2008, 2009, around there. And we know where Bitcoin is sitting at this moment, over $100,000. And it reached $112,000, which was its all-time high. And that's in just over 10 years. So this it's still a new coin, but you can basically say it's the third strongest one. First you get Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then US Tether it's a stable coin, so we can't really mix it in there. Then you have XRP, Ripple, and then you have the Binance coin, BNB. So the other thing that the developers looked at is to make the transactions as quick as possible and keep the transaction costs as low as possible. So we know that in previous smart contracts that the gas fees or the transaction fees gets very big, and then the members cannot carry on using that smart contract because the transaction fees gets too high. So in 2023, OPBNB was launched. This is a high-performance layer 2 solution within the Binance ecosystem, and this is built on the Optimism stack. All right. So you don't worry about too much about the details of that, but the main reason for OPBNB is it keeps the transaction or the gas fees stable and very, very low, and it's very fast. And believe me, it's very fast when I say it's fast. That's the main reason for using the OPBNB network. So OPBNB is not a new coin or a different coin, it's just a different network for the BNB that Rain BNB is using for their smart contract. Right, so the main reasons for using the OPBNB network is to keep the transaction cost or the fees very low and to make it very fast. That is the main, and that is to deliver optimal performance. Because if you want to do business, you want to get your money or send your money as quickly as possible, and you want to receive your money as quick as possible. And if you can receive it instantly, it is perfect. And believe me, when you receive money here in Rain BNB, you receive it immediately. Right. Here's the most important features of Rain BNB. There's no ownership control. We all know what happened to previous platforms we were involved in, and I asked you, please forget about previous experiences, but think back, and that might be some of the reasons why those platforms collapsed or scammed people, because they were controlled by people. They had ownership control, which could have access to the funds, or which did have access to the funds. Here there is no ownership control in Rain BNB. Nobody can touch your money. That's the first thing. It's fully decentralized. Again, there's no third-party control here. There's no app or a website that people can come and manipulate. So they cannot come in and make changes there. Even if the website goes down, you can still work on the blockchain because this is a blockchain-driven platform. Right, there's absolute trust and transparency and we can't really say that about other platforms or previous platforms. Right? There's also an unchangeable system. The previous platforms that you were involved in, people made changes there, or they could make changes there. And that means that if you can make changes, you can get hold of the members' money. And yeah, it is not possible. The main thing is here, the payments are instant. There's no withdrawal request. You don't have to send an email or a request. You don't have to press a withdrawal button in your application or your back office to request a withdrawal. There's no thing like that. And normally, when there is something like that, or you have to send a withdrawal request, that means that someone else has control over your money, and you do not want that. Right? The transaction fees are low and they are stable, and it will always be that way, as we just saw now. And that's why they are using the OPBNB network of BNB. Right? This platform has got a global reach. It's not limited to any specific region or country. Right? It's also autonomous in their operation, as I said previously. There's no personal details that they need for you to register or that they collect from you. And as we know that lots of platforms and people are collecting data and selling data. And that is another thing that people are very, very skeptical about. I don't want to have my data all over the internet. Yeah, none of your personal things are collected. Right? So it's a risk-free, it's liability-free, it's scam-free platform. You cannot lose any money here. You do not have any liabilities. You don't have any targets to meet here. You cannot be scammed in RainBNB. It's impossible. Right? It's a reputation building concept. Think of your previous platforms and your experiences there. Now you have to go back to the team or your friends that were involved with you, or those that you invited to those platforms. And they are probably might still be angry with you or not speaking with you after a couple of weeks, months, years, because of those experiences. Yeah, it's not the case here. It cannot be. If you understand what you need to do here, you will make a success. You cannot be scammed. You cannot risk anything. You cannot lose anything here. Nobody can run away with your money here. You just need to follow the requirements of the smart contract. Then again, the smart contract, the main thing that is managing this whole platform, it is the smart contract. There's trustless agreements. The word trustless means that you don't have to trust a third party, a bank, a person, or any intermediary. So that trust issue is removed for you by the smart contract. It's replacing the owner, it's replacing the person in control. This smart contract does not have any emotions. It cannot decide for a specific person that he wants to favor that person now. It can't think like that. It doesn't have any emotions. Unlike people or owners or from platforms that know people and they want to favor some above other people. That is not possible in RainBNB. All right, so simply put, RainBNB is light years ahead of any other platform. And as I told you, this is a unique platform. There might be similarities, but it's totally different and unique. There is no ownership control. There's no central authority here. You cannot, do not need to put in a withdrawal request. You cannot contact support here. And that is a good thing because you know you can work with peace of mind that your money is there. It is out of the hands of crooks and scrupulous people, unscrupulous people that wants to steal your money. That's the main thing. So you can work with peace of mind in RainBNB. You know your money is secure. Your future is basically secure here because the smart contract, which cannot be changed, which cannot be stopped, is managing everything here. Even if you do nothing for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, until whenever the internet stops on operating on this earth, you will still be able to work on the smart contract. That is the main thing. And that must give you the confidence to promote this and the confidence to work on this with peace of mind. Right, so let's just repeat. You will see there's a lot of repetition that's going on in the slides, and there's a specific reason for that. Why is RainBnB the best online platform? Money or BNB is not controlled by any human being on this platform. This is the biggest reason why you need to join RainBnB. And I will repeat this over and over and over and over. The smart contract manages all of the transactions immediately. There's no waiting time, no thing to approve or anything like that. It manages the payments and the withdrawals in an instant of a second, milliseconds. There's no need to trust any human being with your money. You don't trust your upline with the money. You don't trust the person who invited you with your money. Yeah, that is totally removed here. The smart contract is managing everything here. It is replacing that factor by basically. The smart contract cannot be changed. That means nobody can change the smart contract. If it was programmed to pay you on a certain level when you meet a certain criteria, you will get paid up until the last day that the internet exists on this earth, and you meet that requirement, it will still pay you. Nobody can change that. Nobody can stop that. This means that you are basically guaranteed to get payments when you meet the requirements of the smart contract, because there's nothing that can prevent it. The only thing that can prevent it is if the internet stops working completely, or if you do not meet the requirements of the smart contract. That's the only two things that can stop you from getting paid in RainBnB. Right? No money is kept on the smart contract, as we said already for I think the fourth or the fifth time now. 100% is paid out immediately to all the qualifying members. So nobody can move your money or send it to any other wallet or to themselves. The owner or the developers can't send the money to them because there is no money to be sent out. No money is kept on the smart contract. That's the main reason why it is risk-free. The money that you pay for your registration, it goes to the person that needs to receive it, and the bonuses which you will see later on how it's distributed. Right, there's a once-off low-cost startup fee. There's no recurring membership fees or anything like that, or monthly fees or yearly fees, nothing. Once-off low-cost startup of only about $3. It depends on the BNB value of that day, obviously. Right, and then it's got the best compensation plan. You can achieve or earn unimaginable income of up to 1.48 million BNB in RainBnB. And take note, it's 1.48 million BNB, not $1.48 million. One BNB is $650 at the moment, or above $650. So times that by 1.48 million, and then you'll get to the amount in US dollars that you can earn from this platform. I don't know about any other platform that even comes close to this remuneration or this compensation plan. Right, and keep in mind, and that's why I say this is been written or designed for every person on this earth. Because you can come in with a low cost, most people can afford $3. It depends on your own desire to, or drive to be successful. If you want to make a success or change your life, you will try and get out of at least $3 or more to start making a success for yourself in RainBnB. Now, RainBnB is really easy. We tend to overcomplicate things for ourselves because we don't understand it. Yes, it took me about 2 to 3 weeks to understand this platform when I started last year. But once you do understand it, then it's actually very basic and very easy. So RainBnB is 100% managed by the smart contract. Again, the smart contract is the main figure here, the main actor in this platform. Right, the smart contract cannot be changed by anyone. Once again, no money is kept by the smart contract which can be sent to anyone. 100% of the funds are distributed instantly to the qualifying members. People, this is the thing that we always talk about, the money, the funds. We are worried about that. Yes, we want to make money, but we want to know who controls the money, where does the money go to, what happens with the money, the funds. Here it is managed by the smart contract. There's no human interaction here. It doesn't go to a private wallet or a central private wallet of somebody or to a bank or anything like that. Here the funds are getting distributed immediately to the qualifying members. It's 100% risk-free, as we said already, and it's 100% scam-free. You cannot lose your money. Nobody can scam you or lie to you or any fraud can happen here. No fraud can happen here. Right? So they cannot lie to you. They cannot steal your money. This will guarantee that you will get paid if you meet the 3 easy requirements of the smart contract. All right, so there's no issues then. You will make your money if you meet these 3 requirements. And what are those requirements? Obviously, first of all, you need to register. Then, as we said, we've seen already, you need to refer a minimum of only 2 with your link to qualify for further payments. Now, that's one of the qualifying criteria of the smart contract. If you do not refer at least 2 people with your link, then you will not get paid. If you only have 1 or 0, you will not get paid, or you're not qualified to receive any other further payments. Right, so once you get those 2, you can upgrade. You can even upgrade before you get your 2, but you still need to get your 2 before the smart contract pays you. Right, we will look at that in more detail in a couple of slides from now. So please do not overcomplicate it. Yes, it is a little bit overwhelming for you if it's the first time you're seeing this presentation, but get back to the person that invited you or reach out to your upline and ask them to explain to you and check, repeat these things over and over and over and over. If you commit to attending the training sessions, the presentations, the more you do it, the more you will learn. Then you will see how easy it actually is. All right, it's really not so complicated to make real money and change your financial status. Just do these basics right first. All right, these are the basics. You register, you refer a minimum of 2 others with your link, and then you upgrade to earn more BNB. That is basically what it is. Right, so part 2 is we're starting to look at how does the money work and how do I get paid here? But how do you start now? How do you register? First of all, you need to download a Web3 wallet, any Web3 wallet that supports the OPBNB network. That is very important. Many of us are already using crypto wallets, or you've seen most of these, or some of these, or maybe you are using some of them already. But we have seen that SafePal is the most recommended one and is the most user-friendly one to use in RainBNB. Right, once you've downloaded your Web3 wallet, a very important thing is that you need to write down your 12 words for each wallet, and you must keep those words very safe. I had a person today who forgot his PIN, and now he has to go and look for his 12 words, and I hope that he does get it, because if he can't get hold of those 12 words, then he can kiss that money goodbye, and then it is gone. If he doesn't reach those or gets hold of those 12 words. People, this is very important. It seems like it might feel for you like it's unnecessary administration, but believe me, you do not want to lose your 12 words or look for your 12 words when you have $1,000 or $2,000 in your wallet and you can't get access to your wallet. Why do we write down these 12 words? In the case that something happens to your device, to your phone, to your laptop, and you can't get access to that, you can still get access to your funds if you have the 12 words from another device then. We know that we hear of people daily losing their wallets, or accidents happen, or whatever it might be. or your phone breaks, or your laptop gets flooded by water or whatever, anything happens in life, when you have these 12 words and keep them in a safe place, and some even keep them in more than one place so that you can have backups all over the place, but keep them safe and out of the eyes of prying people or unscrupulous people. All right, this is the only way that you can get access back to your wallets. There's no other ways. The support people or management of these wallets, they won't even be able to help you to get access back to your wallets or your funds. And we've heard many stories of people losing bitcoins, and I saw very recently a guy I think it's Wales, where he lost his Bitcoin, and he's looking for that hard drive in the dump. And there was even a court order that he even went to the court to try and help them to look for that hard drive in the dump, and I don't think he got it. But yes, that is trillions of dollars or billions of dollars that is lying there, and then now it's gone. If you had those 12 words, then you would have had access to those funds. But anyway, this is very important. Do not neglect to write down your 12 words. Don't think you will write them down tomorrow or you will just take a screenshot or a photo. Please, people, we know there's lots of scammers on the internet these days, and they can get access to your wallet or to your phone or to your media. So please don't store those photos on your devices, and make sure that you keep those 12 words in a safe place, out of the eyes and the reach of unscrupulous people. Right, so once you've downloaded your wallet, you set it up to receive the OPBNB token or coin, then you fund your wallet with a minimum of 0.0044 BNB, and that's about $2.50. It might be even higher now, but it's around there. Okay, so then when your funds are in there, you will use the link that the person that referred you sent to you, and you will register on that link. So now you will register on that link, and then after that, you will start riding with the required BNB. That means you're going to start referring your minimum of 2 other people, and you're going to either use those funds to upgrade that you accumulate by referring others, or you can upgrade from your pocket by paying in more money. But that is your own choice how you want to do that. Right? Many of us that started in Rain BNB last year already, when it was Ride BNB, we have started on this $2.50 on beginner, and we have used that money, upgrade money, to upgrade further on, and many people have made a success of that already. So it is possible to do it that way. But let's look at what is recommended, actually, what we have learned along the way. So here's the basic requirements to get paid. Now, keep in mind, this is the basic or the minimum requirements. I don't know about you, but I don't want to stay basic or minimum. I want to make money. I want to get as much money as I can. Right? You can decide how much money, or you will know how much money you want. So you can decide for yourself how much money you want, yeah? Right, but this is the minimum. You have to start with the minimum is 0.0044. Right? So it's recommended, if you're going to only start on the minimum, then load at least 0.005, which is around $3. The reason for that is, if you're going to refer only a minimum of 2 people, then you're going to need that little bit extra. It's about $20 cents, not even so much, to upgrade to the next rank of influencer. All right, or you can just add more and upgrade to ambassador at least, because that is a much better point to start at. Not lower than ambassador, if you have the money available. Right? Remember, people, you cannot lose your money. Nobody can scam you here. There's no risk involved here. You cannot lose your money. You will never ever lose your money that you buy positions in Rain BNB. Even if it lies there for 10 years, 20 years, that money will still be there, it will still be available. Right, you refer a minimum of 2 other people directly with your link, and then you start to upgrade to receive more payments and achieve more levels and bonuses. Right, but that choice is yours to make. You can make a million excuses or you can make $1 million. That is another choice that only you can make. Right, we've seen every day, and every day we hear about excuses, and every day there's new excuses coming up. Um, Wealth is the result of wise choices. It's not luck. We also hear people saying, "Yeah, you're lucky you got that type of money." No, it's not luck. I didn't receive the money because I got lucky. I received it because I work. And luck is spelled WORK, work. You work for wealth. Right. So you make the choice if you want to make a million excuses or you want to make $1 million here. Right now, let's look at the packages in Rain BNB. There are 15 levels, 15 ranks. So you can decide where you want to start on. And as we've seen that beginner is, everybody must start there. But it is recommended that you register and upgrade at least to ambassador or as high as you can, maybe champion, there is more benefits. If you upgrade higher, you will be able to receive more payments and bigger payments, and you won't be able to miss any payments from people that might upgrade below you, above you. Right. So you put basically a buffer between you and those members. But try at least not to go beneath ambassador. Right, because here's where you will start seeing the difference in the money that you get from the people, and we'll look at it in more detail in the next couple of slides. Right, so here there are 6 types of bonuses or payments in Rain BNB. This platform offers 6 types of income. So as a community building platform, we strongly encourage and expect everyone to introduce or refer at least 2 like-minded individuals to maximize potential profits and growth. So I want to spend some time on this 2 like-minded people. We know that the whole world is full of people and everybody needs money. So does that make you like-minded or does it not make you like-minded? I don't want to say anything further about that. I think many people will agree with me that everybody needs money. And when it comes to a platform like RainBNB, which cannot scam you, which cannot be changed, which will pay you when you meet the requirements, which has no risk, there's zero risk, why will you not look at it? Because what will make you different-minded from other people then? Because me and you, we want money, we want to make money. The main thing is that we need the vehicle to do it, and RainBNB is the perfect vehicle platform to achieve that or to receive that money. So you need to refer at least 2 like-minded people, and we always think about network marketing people and those type of people, but any person on this earth needs money, and most people can afford this. So this is the minimum. You need to refer a minimum of 2 other people or like-minded individuals, right? But we know that you get certain types of people in character, and some are extroverts and they are good at selling and whatever. But everybody still needs money. That is what, in my language, makes them like-minded. So yes, they just need to learn the platform. They need to earn the trust or to learn how to work on this platform, and then they will make the money as well. So the first bonus that you receive is a 10% referral bonus. The second one is your 69% direct referral bonus. Right, so you basically receive 79% from all the people that you refer directly with your link. And as we said, you need to refer a minimum of at least 2 only. But there is no limit to the amount of directs that you can refer in RainBnB. Sorry, so yes, the third bonus that you get here is your upgrading bonus, and you will see that there's the where the big money lies, the life-changing money is in this upgrading bonus. Now, the fourth one is your 1.5% recurring level bonus. This is a very, very nice bonus. This comes in on a daily basis if you have an active team, and it comes in very small drops. And do not think that because it's 1.5%, you can just laugh at it or discard it. No, it makes a big difference. Just remember that every drop fills the ocean. Right. Then you have your royalty bonus, which we will look at in more detail now. And also the last one is your lifestyle bonus. So yes, it is possible to earn BNB or money while you sleep with RainBnB. The investment that you make here or the position that you bought here works for you around the clock because uh, this is a global business. There's no banks involved. There's no delays. It's instant payments. It's the smart contract doing the work. Again, people, the smart contract is the main actor here. The main character is the smart contract. Right, so let's look at these bonuses in more detail. Your 10% referral bonus. You will receive 10% from every direct referral that registers on your link. But not only that, look at what makes RainBnB different from other platforms. You are used to that in other platforms, you receive that referral commission once and then never again. In RainBnB, you will receive 10% from all your directs, even when they do upgrade as well, after they register. The only requirement is that you need to be on an influencer rank yourself. Right, and then you will receive 10% from all of their upgrades, even if they upgrade up until creator, which is the last rank, on level 15 or rank 15. And you are still below, you are not there, you will still receive the 10%. So this makes the RainBnB makes it different from other platforms, which I said it's a unique platform. It works differently. It is possible for you to receive at the moment, if you look at the BNB value now, if one of your directs registers today and he upgrades all the way to creator and you are on influencer rank, you will receive $6,570 from that one direct only, because you will receive 10 BNB from one direct if he upgrades all the way to creator. So at today's value of BNB, you will receive $6,570 only in this 10% commission. This is from one direct. Imagine if two or more directs upgrade also further up until wherever they can. People, we are advising you to refer as many as possible with your link. Do not stop at 2 and think that you are qualified now. You can sit back and relax. How much money do you want? Where do you see yourself in the next couple of years? How much BNB do you want to earn in RainBnB? It is advised that you refer as many as possible as you can, because it will not only benefit yourself, it will benefit your team as well. Because when those people register, they will fall into your downline and most probably under team members that is already registered. And when they do upgrade, they will benefit and upgrade not only to you, but to those team members as well. Right. Now, that is the 10% referral bonus. Remember here that you get 10% from every direct, not when they register only, but also when they upgrade, for all of their upgrades. And you need to be on influencer rank yourself to receive those 10%. If you are not on influencer, you will only receive 10% referral bonus from the beginners. Right, let's look at the next bonus, is your 69% direct referral bonus. So here you will receive 69% of the basic package cost of every direct referral that you refer with your link. there's no limit to the number of direct referrals that you can refer. So let's look at this chart here on the right-hand side. If 100 people registers on your link, you will receive in the region of 0.276 BNB. And that is around $200 maybe. So that is still not life-changing money. But remember, success is the sum of small efforts that you repeat day in and day out. Right? $200, people do not despise it, but that is not going to change your life. That's not going to break the bank. Let us look at it in more details. Here is your big money that is lying here. So do not be overwhelmed by all the numbers that you see on the screen now. This is possible. It is not typing errors. It is definitely possible. Remember, this cannot be changed. We look at the BNB value. The rand and the US dollar value, that will change, obviously. But the BNB value, it cannot change. It will not change it. It will always stay the same. Right, the dollar value and the rand value or your own country's currency value, that will change every day because of the BNB value that goes up and down. But the BNB amount, cost in BNB, that won't change. The bonus, the bonus per upgrade, that will not change. This will stay the same. Whereas the total profit in BNB, this will stay the same. And also the total bonus that you receive in BNB, this purple column, this will stay the same. And you will see here that from one account, you will receive 1.48 million BNB. And it's times that by $650 today. And then you will get to the dollar value. So this was calculated at $651 on the 21st of May. So it's not far out from today, which is 657 at the moment. And this is about the value in US dollars that you will receive when you complete this whole, when one position completes this whole matrix. But we know that life happens and not everybody reaches those big things or big levels. Even if you reach only 10%, that will still be life-changing. You can decide for yourself where you want to be. How much do you want to earn? Now let's look at how this works. The main thing that you need to remember here, first of all, is that you need to be on the rank to receive all the rank upgrades below you, or you need to be higher than that rank. So as we've seen, we start on ambassador, and here you will get paid in the region of $172 when 16 people on your level 4 upgrades to ambassador. Let me just start from the beginning. The upgrade bonus works this is your binary matrix basically. We have yourself in the middle, and you'll have 2 positions on your first level, and then everything will just double on your next levels. So you have 2 positions on your first level, which is your beginner level basically. Then you will have 4 positions on your influencer level. Then everything doubles when they get there to, it becomes 8. And when those 8 gets there to, it becomes 16. And so it carries on up until creator level where it's 32,678. But just focus on your next 2. Right, so when your 4th level is filled with 16 people, and they upgrade to ambassador, you will receive in the region of around $10 from each upgrade that will go directly and instantly to you. So you will receive 0.1656 BNB, and that is about $10. And you will receive that 16 times, which gives you around $172. It might be more at the moment. But yes, you need to be on ambassador rank yourself or higher, obviously. If you are on a higher rank, and then you will still receive the outstanding upgrade money from the levels below you when they do upgrade also. You will not miss that. You just need to be on that rank yourself or higher to receive that money. Excuse me. Right, so people, yeah, it is possible to make a life-changing money. You just need to follow the basic requirements of the smart contract. But please understand that you will not receive these amounts one time paid out. They are placed for a certain number of positions on those levels. Please see this. Your level 2 is basically same as your rank 2 is influencer. Your level, your level 3 is achiever. So on your level 3, there is place for 8 positions, and those 8 people will pay you when they upgrade to achiever. So, and then you will receive around $5 from each upgrade, and that is the total that gives you this $43. So you will not receive this amount in one shot. Right. Excuse me, my voice is a bit weak at the moment. So that is very important to remember. You will not receive this money all at once. You will receive it as these people upgrade, as these positions one by one upgrade. All right, so this is your upgrading bonus, which is the biggest income here. And just remember, it might look impossible for you, but it's only impossible until it is done. So this is very possible, and you can decide where you want to earn or where you want to start or finish. So yes, but anything is possible for you here. Right, so how is your tree set up here? How does this matrix work? Now, I just said to you there's a binary on the upgrading bonus. Your matrix is basically populated like this. This is you yourself. Now, number one, you refer one person, it comes in here, and number two is there. So this is your first level. Now, there's only place for 2 positions on your first level. And when they register, they will pay you 1 level up. Now your second level is your influencer level, and there's position or place for 4 positions on your second level. And when they upgrade to influencer, which is your second rank, they will pay you. Right? The same happens with level 3, 4, and so on. But when they come in, they can even come in by a spillover from above, and then they will just fall in the first open position, and it gets filled from top to bottom and left to right. Right? You cannot go and decide where you want to put any people or persons. Right? And here's just a drawing that I made, also of the same matrix, of a binary matrix, with the number of positions on the right hand side and the levels on the left hand side. So your beginner level is there's place for 2 positions always. There cannot be any more. The second level is place for 4 people. They will pay you when they upgrade to influencer. Your third level is achiever, and those 8 people, they will pay you, or their payments goes up 3 levels, and when they pay you, when they upgrade for achiever. All right, the same on your ambassador level, which is your 4th level. Those 16 people will pay you when they upgrade to ambassador. And then the same thing will happen, the same process. When you're, let's say you have 256 people on level 8, and you are on director or higher rank yourself. When they upgrade to director, they will pay you. And then they will pay you this amount. Let's just look at it. On the director level, they will pay you each around $172 from one, and you times that by 256. So that is already big money for most people they haven't even seen that money in their lifetime. 44,000 US dollars. That's close to 1 million rand in South Africa. So yeah, that is already life-changing money for many people. So yeah, it has happened already. Many people or members all over the world has become millionaires in RainBnB since the 7th of August when RainBnB launched. Yes, so that is possible. Many people or members have already achieved millionaire status across the world. So you can achieve that as well. Now your fourth bonus is your 1.5% recurring level bonus. This is a type of passive income. Now here you will receive 1.5% from all your activity or levels in your own team, in your own matrix. All right. The qualifying criteria here is that you need to be on an influencer rank yourself, and you must have 2 directs as influencers as well. Then you qualify automatically to receive this 1.5% from everything that happens in your matrix. Right, you will receive 1.5% from level 2 to level 15. And they will pay you 1.5% every time that there's a registration or an upgrade 15 levels deep. So you will need to be on influencer rank yourself, and you must have 2 directs as influencer here to receive this 1.5% recurring level bonus. Now this might look very, very small, but just look at this. This account, I took the screenshot. This bonus was activated or launched on the 16th of January, and this screenshot was taken in about April, around there. This is now much higher at this moment. This is only, it incurred, or it earned 2.3 BNB when this screenshot was taken, only from this 1.5% recurring level bonus. And by that time, this 2.3 BNB was $1,387. So do not despise this 1.5% recurring level bonus. Right, so here's just a breakdown or a diagram of how it works. Your first level, this is your first level direct. This is why we say refer as many as possible, because you will benefit, your whole team will benefit. This is your first level direct. This is different from your binary matrix where you get paid the upgrading bonuses. Your first level directs, that is your own directs, and there you can have unlimited number of them. That's your first level. Now, when they refer people, that will become your second level direct. And you will get paid from them 1.5% if you do qualify. And then your third level will be their direct referrals again. Right, so this works a bit different from the binary matrix, but this is how the recurring level bonus works. So this it goes, refer as many people as possible, and you will receive 1.5% from your level 2 to your level 15 if you are influencer rank and you have 2 directs as influencers as well, on influencer. All right, excuse me. The royalty bonus is your number 5 one, the 5 bonus. Here you will get paid from icon rank, a daily bonus, daily percentage of the total income in Rain BNB. A total of 3.5% gets divided between these top ranks from icon to creator. And then you will get paid on the highest rank, which we are here. You will only get paid from the highest rank, not below that. So let's say you are on Emperor. You will only get paid this 0.6% every 24 hours. You will not receive the legend or the 1% from legend or the 1% from icon. But the qualifying criteria for here is you must have 2 directs. That is compulsory. Just give me a moment, ladies and gentlemen. Everyone here must earn, or who earns twice the amount of the total investment, they will be out of the royalty pool. So then this royalty bonus will stop, and then you will probably upgrade to the next rank, and you will start earning from that rank again the royalty bonus. Just give me a moment. I'm just going to take a couple of seconds here. Excuse me, gentlemen. Thanks for being patient. Right, so yes, this daily bonus, it's a passive income from icon rank up to creator. All right, this gets paid out every 24 hours, and you need to claim this in your back office manually. under the royalty and rewards tab. Right, so as I already said, this comes from the total income in RainBnB for that day. 3.5% is set aside for this bonus, and it gets divided between these ranks. Right, this gets claimed every 24 hours, and many people have joined and they just upgrade directly to Icon rank because they want to receive the passive income. So yes, just remember that the minimum requirement is you must have 2 directs, and that is compulsory. If you only have 1 direct and you're on Icon, you will not receive the royalty bonus. You must have 2 direct referrals. Right, let's look at the last bonus, and that is the lifestyle bonus. So this is also a new bonus in RainBnB, which was added on the 16th of January. The detailed explanation is that your first rank, there are 5 clubs in lifestyle bonus. So the first one is you receive 0.5% in Prime Club. You receive 0.5% on a daily basis, which gets paid out on a weekly basis. And up till you receive the total amount of $3,000 in BNB. So the qualifying criteria is that you must have been qualified after 16 January 2025. You must be on a director yourself, and you must have 5 champions as directors. So this must be claimed every week in your back office under the royalty and rewards tab. Once you receive $3,000 in BNB, this bonus will stop. All right, then you'll need to upgrade to the next rank or qualifying criteria. You need to be on Conqueror, and you must have 3 emperors as directs. So you will also receive 0.5%, but you will receive a total of $25,000 in BNB. Then this bonus will stop. The Royal Club, which is your third club here, you will receive 0.2% daily. That will get paid out weekly to you until you receive $50,000 in BNB. You need to be on a Chancellor yourself, and you must have 5 directs as conquerors. All right, then your Crown Club, your qualifying criteria, you need to be on Creator yourself, which is your last rank. And you must have 7 directs as Chancellors. Keep in mind, as I said, you need to refer as many as possible. You can see here for the lifestyle bonuses, you need to have more than 2 directs to qualify for these bonuses. Right, on your Crown Club, you will receive up to $100,000 in BNB, and then this will stop. And then on your last club is your Supreme Club. Here you will receive 0.15% daily, and that will get paid out to you weekly until you receive $500,000 in BNB. And you need to be on creator rank yourself, and you must have 10 directs as creators. So we saw that the minimum requirement is to have 2 directs referred to you directly, but there is no limit to the number of people that you can refer. And to qualify for more and bigger bonuses, refer at least 10. Start with 5, work it up, grow your team, grow your directs as time goes on, and start assisting them to also upgrade so you can all achieve this Supreme Club and all go to Creator. All right, let's look at the future roadmap of RainBnB. So we don't have much detail about these things that's going to happen, but we know that in the next 2 to 3 months or 4 months maybe, some of these projects might launch. They plan to launch their own gaming token, their own exchange, trading bot, gaming projects, their own blockchain, and then also Web3 projects like NFTs and so on. Like I said, we don't have much information about this or details, but we've heard something about the 7th of August, and I'm talking under correction here. There might happen something there. So that is not very far from now. But start getting your team active, start encouraging them, growing your team. Everybody will benefit from these projects when they do launch these extra projects as well. Because then the community has been built already. It's not like they're going to start a whole new new platform now. So then we will also benefit from these projects that they are introducing. Right now, I just added here achievements from some accounts, and here's the difference between starting on a beginner rank at the bottom with your $3, and on the right hand side, these two accounts started on ambassador rank straight away. Right, the beginner that started last year September, it took it 4 months to reach Titan rank, and he accumulated just under $7,000. He paid just under $900 for all the upgrades. The one on ambassador reached director rank in 14 days. Now director is just a rank below Titan. So it took this 2 weeks to reach director, and this one basically, you can say 3 months to reach director, if I remember correctly. And you can see also the difference here. This one has made more money, obviously, but this one made $1,200 basically, and it used $456 to upgrade. Right. This one took 4 days to reach mentor and started on ambassador as well. This account started on a beginner and reached champion, which is your 7th rank, in 7 months. Right, it made $2,500 worth in BNB, and it used 227 to upgrade to champion in that time. Right, and then we always get the question of, show me the money. Have you withdrawn the money to your bank? Yes, the money has been withdrawn to all of the members' banks already. The question is not if RainBnB does pay you. The question is, can you withdraw the money from your wallet to your exchange wallet and then to your bank? The main thing is that people do not understand crypto. Most people do not understand crypto yet. The thing is that RainBnB pays you instantly. When the money is in your connected wallet, you have been paid already. So then it's up to you to send it or exchange it and send it to your exchange wallet and then to your bank. Right, so that has got actually nothing to do with RainBnB. But we know people, they want to be convinced, they want to see that, they want to know that. So please explain that to them if they do ask, and if people want to have the proof of it, then it is available. All right. Now you need to ask, you need to ask yourself the serious following questions. What is your why in life? What do you want to achieve? And most of us, we need money and finances. That's the main thing. You want to buy a house, you want to buy a car, you need money for that. You want to put your children through university or give them education or school, you need money for that. So my question to you is, what are you waiting for now? The best time to start was yesterday, and you know that. And the next best time to start is now, right now. So even the Bible tells us that he who watches the wind, he does not sow. And he who looks at the clouds, he does not reap. So if you're going to wait for the perfect opportunity, for the perfect time to start before you take the action, it is never going to happen. There is never going to be a perfect time. There never is going to be a perfect time for you to start. You just need to take the action as soon as possible, right now. Forget about excuses. Look for solutions. If you're still not, or you're still uncertain about some things, reach out to the person who invited you. Get the answers ready and get going. Get your wallet loaded and downloaded and funded, and register on the link so we can start earning some BNB in RainBnB. And you will make a difference in your own life and your community. So that is the main thing. You must answer this question for yourself. What is your why? I don't know where you are currently in your situation in life, in your finances, but I know that everybody needs money, and Rain BNB is the perfect vehicle or the perfect platform to get that money. And everybody can afford it. Most people can afford it. Right? It depends on yourself how eager you are to achieve success or to make a difference in your life. So thank you for your time and build a business that will pay you for the rest of your life. But as I said already, the secret of getting ahead is to get started. You need to take the action. So please get back to the person that invited you and let it rain BNB. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your time. Let's stop the share, yeah. KK, are you still here? No, no. Winnie, I see you here. Oh, KK, are you still there? I don't know, you want to say something?
I'm here, Johan. Well, thank you very much for the amazing presentation. I hope our guests here got the message and they know that now this is the platform where they can start their journey to financial freedom. And they should just start even tonight or tomorrow by contacting the person that invited them here, um, so they can start their journey not only to financial freedom, but also participating in the crypto space, the bull run, and a whole lot more of other bonuses that Rain BNB has to offer. Thank you very much, Johan, and thank you very much to all our guests and everybody that joined us this evening.
Yes, thank you, Winnie. Yes, our voices are very tired of speaking too much, but yes, thank you for your time, everyone. And yes, there's a lots of more benefits of joining Rain BNB. Not only the money side, also the community that you build up and the people that you meet and so on. All right, tomorrow night will be a training session, the same time, same link. Then you will be able to ask questions that will be answered if you still have uncertainties or you need any technical questions answered. Please invite your team members to attend as well. I want to say thank you and have a good night and good day wherever you are in the world. Thank you, everyone. Good day. Bye bye.